The best mini tripod gives you perfect stability for your camera. But it doesn't take up space in your camera bag. You can shoot food photography on a tabletop. You can record vlogs and live streams from your desk. And it lets you take self-portraits at home. A mini tripod is a handy piece of equipment every photographer needs. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Neewer Mini DSLR Tripod. Mini tripods don't come much sturdier than the Neewer Mini DSLR Tripod. It has a solid aluminum alloy construction that handles larger cameras. And it's one of the best lightweight travel tripods you can put in your backpack. It's perfect for food and time-lapse photography. It's also ideal for product photography. And it will help you improve your product photography with Expert Photography's Products in Focus ebook. It has independent telescopic legs that give you an adjustable height range from 6.9 to 19.7 inches, 17 centimeters to 50 centimeters. So it works well as a tabletop tripod or on uneven surfaces. The ball head swivels 360 degrees, giving you a full panoramic view. And it can support up to 11 pound, 5 kilograms, in weight, which is strong enough for most DSLR cameras. It can even support full-frame models. And that goes for mirrorless cameras too. This Neewer tripod is one of the best mini tripods on the market. If you're looking for a small version of a normal tripod, this one is for you. It's great value for your money. And it has the excellent build quality you'd expect to see on a full-size tripod. Number 2. Joby GorillaPod 3K. The flexible legs give you excellent creative control. You can shoot in any location on any surface. And you don't even need a surface to work on. It's also strong enough for most cameras. You can bend and manipulate the flexible legs any way you want. It can stand up straight with a maximum height of 11.8 inches, 30 centimeters. Or you can spread and bend the legs for a lower angle. This flexibility is great for uneven surfaces and rough terrain. You can even wrap the flexible legs around poles and tree branches. This versatility gives you a world of freedom as a photographer. The camera plate is connected to the legs with a ball head. This gives you a fantastic range of movement, helping you shoot from any angle. And it allows you to pan and tilt with a smooth motion. It's ideal if you need to change the angle while filming. And it also has a built-in bubble level to help you achieve perfect alignment. Number 3. SIRUI 3T35 Tabletop Tripod. The SIRUI 3T35 Tripod is a specially made tabletop tripod for tabletop productions. The aluminum body has excellent build quality. It only weighs 0.55 pound, 250 grams, but supports up to 8.8 pound, 4 kilograms. This is impressively strong for its size. You can use it for mirrorless and DSLR cameras. And it's also good for GoPros and webcams for Mac and Windows computers. This tripod gives you a height range from 4.5 to 10 inches, 11.4 to 25.7 centimeters. And you get an adjustable tripod ball head, which provides you with an excellent range of movement. It also has a panoramic base, which allows you to rotate the head 360 degrees. It folds down into a compact unit. And when folded, you can use it as a camera handle. This is useful for action and vlogging cameras. Number 4. Altura Photo Mini Pistol Grip. The Altura Photo Mini Tripod has a unique pistol grip design. You can use it in its grip formation, giving you support for moving shots. Or you can unfold it into a tabletop tripod. It gives you a wide variety of shooting options for photos and videos. And it's small enough to fit in your pocket. It's compatible with all types of devices, from smartphones to mirrorless cameras. But the maximum weight it can handle is only 2.5 pound, 1.1 kilograms. So you're limited to APS-C cameras. It's also a good match for the GoPro alternatives if you use an action camera. The rubber-coated handle offers an excellent ergonomic grip. And its rubber design prevents the legs from slipping as a table tripod. The fixed height might be frustrating for some. But it's the perfect height for shooting products and food photography on a tabletop. Number 5. Neewer Portable Compact Tripod. The Neewer Portable and Compact Tripod is one of the stronger ones on our list. The build quality is exceptional for a mini tripod. And it's also excellent value. So you get plenty of bang for your buck. With all metal components, its build quality is excellent. The legs are strong and have non-slip feet, and the ball head has terrific movement. It also has a tightening nut to keep the head in position when the camera is mounted. So you can shoot from high and low angles. The mini tripod only weighs 0.9 pound, 423 g. But it has a holding capacity of 17.6 pound, 8 kilograms. That's impressive for a tripod of this size. It can support full-frame DSLR cameras. And you can use the best telephoto lenses. So it has no problem holding lenses and cameras for time-lapse photography. Number 6. SmallRig Desktop Tripod. The SmallRig Desktop Tripod gives you a solid platform on which to work. It has a solid design that can hold the best quality cameras. And each component of this aluminum tripod fits perfectly, making its movement smooth and easy. This mini tripod has a load limit of 11 pound, 5 kilograms. It's strong enough to hold good quality mirrorless and DSLR cameras. And it can hold webcams and action cameras. But its strength allows you to use the best macro lenses, too. Its strong structure makes it a good option for macro photography. But it's also a great option for food and product photography. The legs are adjustable to 2 levels of adjustment, 5.5 and 8.3 inches, 14 and 21 centimeters. This isn't the wide height range. But it gives you enough options when you're working on a tabletop. The high-quality ball head moves well, giving you a good range of shooting angles. The legs have a non-slip design, so you'll have a stable frame to work on. It also helps when working on slick surfaces. The overall quality of the SmallRig mini tripod is excellent. It's strong and relatively lightweight. And it would be an excellent addition to your kit bag. Number 7. ULANZI Smartphone Tripod. The ULANZI smartphone tripod is the best option for content creators who use a mobile. It's one of the most compact tripods on the list. You can carry it in your pocket when folded down. And you can use it with iPhone and Android smartphones. The stand has 2 joints that let you get the perfect height and angle. It gives you an excellent range of movement. And it allows for high and low angle shooting. You can also rotate the head section to shoot in horizontal or vertical mode. You can even set it up for overhead shots. This is great for food photography shots for social media. You can also use the ULANZI tripod as a handle grip. This is perfect for shooting self-portraits or vlogs. And it's good for shooting video tracking shots. You get more stability than shooting handheld. It's a reliable, affordable solution if you create media with a smartphone.